My name is Puja Gupta and I live literally across the globe in India, Chennai. I joined Train the Trainer 2011 February and it has been the best experience of my life. I realized my purpose that I wanted to teach this work through the many various self-help books I came across, the DVD The Secret, and I found myself getting really attracted to this subject. And then I realized that there's actually a person who trains you in teaching this subject. That was maybe the best gift God could have sent me. Because for me, now I could go to a place and learn what I had been just reading. Train the Trainer has totally transformed my life. I couldn't have imagined that that's the level that I could reach just by joining a course like this. The 1 year that I dedicated to studying, it has not only helped me open this beautiful center, which I call Life by Design, where people come and change their life, literally design their life and get empowered, but also the fact that personally it's had such a great impact on me. I've become a better mother, a better wife, a better person just by doing this course, because now I truly know the principles that you need to live your best life. Success has really been easy in terms of I just finished Train the Trainer last month and there isn't a single newspaper in my city that hasn't carried a featured article on me. I'm already a columnist. Money, it's almost embarrassing to speak about it, but I am right now completely and 100% financially free. More than anything else, what I really was looking were two things: respect and to make a difference. And I didn't realize the connection that it had between them. I've really been able to make a difference in people's lives, and that has brought in so much respect. I feel so fulfilled because today as a trainer, I have the ability to do whatever somebody expects from me for me to be able to help them live their best life. Train the Trainer is really a professional course where Jack takes you week after week into becoming this complete person. He works with you. He works with you at a personal level, at a level where you need to be a trainer, as a role model. It's just so complete, this program. My vision truly is to take this center and open such all across India. 40 centers by 2016 is what I visualize. And I know I'm going to get there because the first time I said I'm going to open this center was in one of the TTT programs. That time it looked like such a huge dream to have my own center, to really be able to do this work. But today I am just so happy. I really urge you to have a detailed look at this program because there isn't a better program on planet Earth. There isn't a better teacher than Jack. His authenticity, his generosity, his love, it just is so pure. He comes from such a place of service that that's the kind of teacher you really want to learn from. So go there, get this course done and transform your life and the lives around you, because it doesn't get better than this. Thank you so much.